right, so we're gonna just give you a quick little video tour of this is the Christmas Valley. We're gonna be making down. We're gonna hit a couple areas just to show. No homes that we know of right now have been burned. We are making our way up Upper Truckee, but just to give you an idea, there is the fire right above it. Yeah, let's head that way and then loop as far over as we can toward the fire. So I'm just gonna drive down. I'll try to name off as much as I can when I can. This is South Upper Truckee. We're driving towards the Christmas Valley trailhead. Let's see, let's turn on here if you wouldn't mind. So we're going on West River Park Road. So that gives you a little idea. So there's the fire up there. That's Highway 50 right above us. And let's see, let's take that far one over there. So we're driving down West River just past Panorama. You can see some of that wind. I don't know if you can see there's the fire. A lot of your homes still good. Gosh, that fire really is, right? It's not far from this road here. I'm sorry, what did I say this was? It was west. Let's get my seatbelt on here. Okay. So, making our way around, we'll head back down, I guess, Panorama. Give a little tour of this. I don't know if you can see the wind right there. You can see just that's how hard it's blowing. I got a lot of these quaking aspen here, or they may be poplar, I'm not sure, but I think they're quaking aspen, shaking their leaves like crazy. They've got a lot of wind going on. Things looking good. Right there. Is there a little spot fire back behind there?
Yeah, so it has come down.
So, yeah. What is this address here? Can you see? Back up a little. There is a fire right behind this home here, which is
3266.
3266 Panorama. It's fine right now. Looks like you got a lot of good defensible space, but there is a fire blazing right behind it. Alright, we'll keep on moving here. Check some other areas. Oh, good news for you. There is just, you know, that we've got a fire crew over on this area here. Alright, making our way down. Once again, this is, I believe this is, we're still on Panorama here, if I'm not correct. Making our way, here's your homes, all looking good. Okay, now we're back on, we're gonna head down South Upper Truckee. We're gonna head back towards Myers. There's a quick look that way. Wow, okay, there is just a lot of fire crews here, just keeping an eye on these flames. But that smoke that's billowing up over there, it's
There's the line.
is that the line?
Yeah, look.
Okay, yeah.
It's all.
So, I'm sorry, we're making our way back down South Panorama. Oh wow, yeah, so yeah, wow, these cabins got very close last night. It got very close, but good news for you now is all of that fuel is burnt up. Got a lot of ground crews back up in there working. There's some flames. I'm not sure. That is 2956. Just Just give you little reference points. Some more fire crews. Making our way down. $28.95. That's the last one I saw. Still making our way. This is 2820 South Upper Truckee Road here. Fire crews ready. You know, that's the good news. You guys got just a plethora of fire crews from all over California and Nevada here. That one's from Yuba City. There's Olivehurst. What's that way, actually? Let's see if we can go head up that way. $27.21. This is Keekin. This is Nahane, I think. Nahani? I hope I'm saying that right. Give me a reference. There's 849. Now we're Nahani. Nahani? Our fire crew right here. Making a loop around the perimeter here of Nahani. More fire crews. Oop. I guess we can drive over that. Looks like he is.
I'll wait to see what he does.
Yep.
Okay.
All right. Luckily, you guys got a fire hydrant right by your house. That's good news.
Yeah, it just came right up to this though.
Yeah, we got some ground crews back up there working. Look at that
up there, still good.
huge 3-story house back up there. You have got lots of fire crews here. Hoses everywhere. Spot fires over there. Yo-cut. No fire in here. We're making our way back to South Upper Truckee Road. Back to South Truckee. Yeah, this is gonna run you right into it. Maybe I'll take a head that way. This is gonna take us back into Myers, and that kind of ends the tour with the majority of the houses there. So far, so good. It's about 1:49 on August 31st.